Pie Pie Toys! Hello my little pies, and today we're opening another Num Noms! Series 2.1 Lights, Light Up Ring include Num, Light Up Nom, and one ring. Now, here is scented. Now let's open this up! It's super cute. Okay. Let's see what's this. Oh, it's just like instructions and stuff. Anyways, here we have the list, the checklist. I don't want to rip it. I'll see what we get. Okay. Oh, it's Num Noms. Okay. Super cute! Look at that! Oh, it's like see-through green and it's winking, and it has a cute little pink bow. Let's see what's under here. Oh, here's a cute little orange one. Oh, oh, that's so cool. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's put this. I don't know how we put. Okay, there we go. Maybe I should have put that on first. Oh, it's a nice ring. I'll put on my pinky. It's a little loose, but it's so cute. Okay, let's see who we got. And she's like super adorable. Okay. So I finally found her, and here she's Gabby Goody, and it says that she's apple. She smells like apple, and she's a special edition. Oh, that's so cool. It's my first rare Num Nom. Let me smell it. It smells like apple, green apples. Okay, here, this is how she looks when she's light up. She's see-through, and she has the cutest bow ever. And here, you can just take it off, and here's a little light up nom. And I think they're super cute. And it kind of looks like crystals here. I think my light up. Oh, I got this another special edition orange rock light up. Ooh, so we got two special editions. That's so cool. I wonder if this one is scented. It smells like orange because it says that it's orange. So here we got two light up. We got two special edition. Anyways, I know this is a short video, but bye my little pies.